Hello everybody, my name is Jasmine Choi. Today I'm showing you how to defrost a bak chang. Bak chang is a glutinous rice with meat and beans wrapped up in lotus leaf, as you can see here. It's been frozen for about a week in the freezer. So the first thing I want to do is put it into the simmering basket like so. I can put in 2 large pieces or I can put 3 medium-sized ones. After that, I'll add the water and make sure to let the water touch the bak chang. After that, what I do is close the lid and then I go to kettle mode. I flip the screen, kettle mode, then I turn it on and let it boil until the water reaches 100 degrees Celsius. When it reaches 100 degrees Celsius, the bak chang is nice and warm. So easy. I'm telling you, the TM6 is so versatile. There's so many things you can do with it besides this. You can steam stuff, you can knead bread, you can whip up cakes, you can stir fry vegetables. One machine can do so many things. Please contact me for further inquiries. Okay.